Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dotto. Today in my YouTube tutorial video of the new series of educational videos on NCERT mathematics, which is completely free to you, I have just taken the question number 7 from the exercise 13.1 of your book class 10 under the chapter surface areas and volumes NCERT mathematics. Now let us see what the question says. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meters and 4 meters respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meters, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. So to proceed to the solution, we must have this pre-knowledge first. Number 1, we must know about the mathematical expression which is used to find out the value of the curved surface area of a cylinder, which is twice pi r into h, where r stands for the radius of the cylinder and h stands for the height of the cylinder. Number 2, we must know about the mathematical expression which is used to find out the value of the curved surface area of a cone, which is pi rl, where r stands for the base radius of the cone and l stands for the slant height of the cone. So to be very clear, let us draw this diagram first. A rough diagram of the tent of combined form. Now let us represent the diameter of the cylindrical part. Right here, or show here cylindrical part. Cylindrical part. So this part as conical part, as conical part. After this, let us represent the base diameter of the conical part, which is equal to the diameter of the cylindrical part. So right here, diameter cylindrical part, which is equal to 4 meters. The measure of this line will also be 4 meters, and this is the base diameter conical part. base diameter conical part which is equal to 4 meters. Base diameter conical part which is equal to 4 meters. After this, let us represent the height of the cylindrical part, which is according to question 2.1 meters. 2.1 meters height. And after this, let us represent the slant height of the conical part. Slant height which is according to question 2.8 meters. 2.8 meters. Right here tent of combined form. Tent of combined form. After this, let us proceed in this way. Right in this way. Here the height of the cylindrical part of the tent. Here the height of the cylindrical part, this part of the tent, is equal to 2.1 meters. 2.1 meters. Diameter height of the cylindrical part, you can write here H is equal to 2.1 meters. Diameter D is equal to, according to question, 4 meters. 4 meters according to question, 4 meters. Therefore the radius is equal to, the radius R is equal to half of 4 meters, which is equal to 2 meters. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore the curved surface area is equal to twice pi r into h. That means 2 into pi, that means 22 by 7 into r. Here, this one, 2 meters. So we'll write here 2 into h. Height of the cylindrical part of the tent is 2.1 meters. So we'll write here 2.1. The unit will be meters square. After this, let us proceed in this way. You can do calculation or cancellation here. 7 3s are 21, so we'll get here 0.3. After this, if we multiply 22 by 4, we will get 4 to the 8. 22 by 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. And if we multiply 88 by 3, we'll get 3 4s are 24, 3 4s are 24 plus 2, 26. So we'll have 26.4 here. So this is again equal to 26.4 meters square. After this, let us proceed in this way. Right in this way. Now the diameter of the cylindrical. Now the diameter of the cylindrical part is equal to the base diameter of the conical part is equal to 4 meters. Therefore base radius r dash equal to half of 4 meters, which will be equal to 2 meters. We have known the base radius of the conical part. So slant height is given. So write slant height L is equal to 2.8 meters. 2.8 meters, which is according to question. So after this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore the curved surface area of the conical part, that means of the conical part, equal to pi RL, that means 22/7 into R, that means here R dash, here 2 meters. So we'll write here 2 into slant height L 2.8 meters according to question. So we'll write here 2.8. The unit will be meters square. Now if we do cancellation here, we will get 7 4 is 28. So we will have 0.4 here. Now if we multiply 22 by 2, we will get 44, and if we multiply 44 by 4, we will get 4 4 is 16, plus 1 17. So we will have 17.6 here. So write 17.6 meters square. After this, proceed in this way. Therefore the required area of the canvas of the tent, canvas, not T here, canvas, required area of the canvas of the tent is equal to 26.4. This 26.4 meter square plus this part 17.6 meters square. Now if we add these two terms, 26.4 and 17.6, we will get 0 here, 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 14, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 44 meters square. After this, proceed in this way, and the required cost and the required cost of the canvas at rupees 500 per meter square is equal to rupees in 1 meter square. The cost of the canvas is rupees 500. Therefore, in 44 meter square, the cost of the canvas of the tent will be rupees 500 into 44, which will be equal to rupees 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 2200. So it is 22,000. So these are the answers. So in this way, it will spare a little bit time to you. So this is all for today. Why not? Of course, I will expect your kind likes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.